They've taken a step up the amateur division. Can they cope with the higher standard?
All that's left is to beat the keeper. What a finish!
Solid strike there, never in doubt.
Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, he gave the goalkeeper no chance.
2 goals today from this exciting player.
And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Oh, it's a goal! Fantastic goal to make up the player's hat-trick. He's in fine form. Can he finish it? Oh, it's hit the post. Great goal!
4 goals for this player. He's unstoppable.
Let's get it back inside. What a great headed goal!
The manager will really be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
There's some shocking defending on display today, but hats off to the other team. Some fine finishing. We'll see you after the break.
Tries the volley.
Oh, it's gone in. A fantastic goal.
You've got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic volleyed finish.
What an opportunity. Oh, it's in.
And his teammates will join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
He's got the goal in his sights.
He scored a beautiful goal. A chance here.
What an opportunity. Great finish.
Solid strike there, never in doubt. And that one swung into the box.
Oh, look at their celebrations. What a goal.
And it's a fantastic finish off the woodwork there, giving the goalkeeper no chance whatsoever.
That's the final whistle. They're going with 5 in midfield with a 4-5-1 setup. Silva.
He must score, surely. Oh, nice finish there.
And his teammates will join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
Well cut out.
Oh, fantastic block.
Can he finish it? Great goal.
He's scored a brace. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul.
What an opportunity. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish.
Solid strike there, never in doubt.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Excellent defending to block the shot.
Full time. Emphatic 3-0